Al-Balad, also known as Jeddah Historic District, is the historical area of Jeddah, the second largest city of Saudi Arabia. Al-Balad can literally be translated to the town. Al-Balad Souk Jeddah combines authenticity and modernity in an unforgettable experience. The market is characterized by its narrow, stone-paved streets and traditional buildings with an old Hijazi character, making it a wonderful tourist destination. The area of Jeddah Historic District, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is 2.5 square kilometers. It contains 5 historical markets, offering diverse products that mirror the active maritime trade of Jeddah's port. Additionally, it features over 650 historic buildings with unique architectural designs.